Good morning, children. In the previous classes, based on this lesson, arithmetic progression, you learnt the definition of an arithmetic progression, the general form of an arithmetic progression, and how to find a particular number in a nth position. Now, the second exercise is based on sum of first n terms of an AP. Imagine that you have the habit of saving the money you receive every year as the birthday gift from your parents. And your parents also, they make it as a fixed amount every year as the first year when you are 1 year old, 100 rupees. Then second year, 200 rupees. Third year, 300 rupees, and so on. And you are collecting the amount and you are saving it. And now naturally, how do you know what is the total amount in your account when you reach the age of 21? The concept is you are adding 100 plus 200 plus 300 plus etc. up to 21 years. So, to make the work easy, let's derive a formula to find the sum of the numbers in an AP. This sequence 100, 200, 300 is an AP because the first term is 100. The common difference is everywhere the same. That means your parents are giving you only 100 rupees more every year. So, to explain this concept, let us take the story of the great mathematician Gauss when he was only 12 years old. What is the incident? When he was a student, the teacher asked the whole class to calculate the sum of first 100 numbers. That means the students were asked to get the total of the first 100 numbers. And you know, the method adopted by Gauss is so easy that he could give the answer in a very short time. Let's see what is the method adopted by him. Sum of first 100 numbers, S100, that means of sum of first 100 numbers, he wrote it as 1 plus 2 plus 3 etc. up to 100. Once again he arranged as 1 plus 2 plus etc. 98, 99, 100. That means he arranged first in the forward counting, then in the backward counting. S now adding both the equations. He formed two equations. What is S100 plus S100? It is 2 times S100 is the same as 1 plus 100 is 101. 99 plus 2 is also 101. 98 plus 3 is also 101, etc. 101. That means 2 times S100 is the same as 101 repeated 100 times. There were 100 numbers. So, repeated 100 times, or what is the sum of first 100 numbers? 101 into 100 by 2, or the answer is 5050. So, the mathematician at the younger age itself, he could get the sum of first 100 numbers as 5050 in a quick way. This method is adopted to derive the formula of first n terms of an AP. Let's derive the formula. First, let us write the general form of the AP. What is the general form of any AP? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. A plus n minus 1 into D. what will be the term preceding a plus n minus 1 into d is a plus n minus 2 into d. What will be the term preceding a plus n minus 2d is a plus n minus 3d, and that will be the order. Let's derive the formula of sum of first n terms of an AP. The first arrangement is Sn is equal to sum of first n terms is equal to first term plus second term plus third term plus etc. Let's take it as a plus n minus 2d plus a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the first order of arrangement. Second order is SNS from the reverse order. That is a plus d plus etc. a plus n minus 3d plus a plus n minus 2d and a plus n minus 1 into d. When you add, what is Sn plus Sn? 2Sn is the same as, you can see, what is the total? Let's do it here. A plus n minus 1 into d. What is a plus a? It is 2a plus n minus 1 into d plus. What will be the sum of a plus d plus the second terms? A plus n minus 2d. What is a plus a is 2a plus. D is common. D is common. Here 1 plus n minus 2, which is the same as 2a plus. What is n minus 2 plus 1? N minus 1 into d. That is 2a plus n minus 1 into d, etc. Let's check what is the answer here. A plus n minus 2d plus a plus d is, a plus a is again 2a. Now plus n minus 2 into d plus d, 2a plus d into n minus 2 plus 1, or 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So again plus 2a plus n minus 1 into d. As you saw in the previous example, 101 repeated 100 times. Here 2a plus n minus 1 into d is repeated n times. That is 2 times Sn. 2 times Sn is equal to 2a plus n minus 1 into d is repeating n times, or into n. Or what will be the formula for sum of first n terms of an AP? It is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So the formula for finding the sum of first n terms of an AP. That means if an AP is given to you, if you want to find the total of all the terms, the formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This also can be written in another form as Sn is equal to n by 2 into, let me write the formula first the same way, which is the same as n by 2 into. This 2a I am splitting it as a plus a, and what is a plus n minus 1 into d? That is the formula for an. So Sn also can be written as n by 2 into a plus an. That means it is n by 2 into first term plus the last term. So these are the main formula, the general formula for the sum of first n terms of an AP can be calculated using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. The first formula can be applied for any AP. The second formula is applied when the nth term or the last term is given to you. But the first formula you can use for any problems based on the sum of first n terms of an AP. Exercise 5.3, question number 1, mark it as type 1. It's a direct application. See the AP given as find the sum of 2, 7, 12, etc. 10 terms. What's the meaning of 10 terms? It is not number 10 here as the last term. 10 terms specifically mentioned shows that n is equal to 10. A is equal to 2, D is equal to 7 minus 2, which is equal to 5. What's the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, which is the same as 10 by 2, 2 into 2 plus 10 minus 1 into d is 5, or 5 into 4 plus 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 5s are 45, which is equal to 5 into 49, 9 5s are 45, 5 4s are 20, 245. All these 4 questions are direct because the term 12 terms means directly the value of n is given to you. That is why mark it as type 1. It can be asked as a 2-mark question. Let's proceed with question number 2, 3 and 4 subdivisions. N is equal to 12, A is equal to minus 37, D is equal to minus 33 minus 37. Subtraction of integers, it becomes addition. 37 minus 33 is positive 4. Formula Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, which is equal to the n value is 12. 12 by 2, 2 into a is minus 37 plus 12 minus 1 into d value is 4. 6 into 7 2s are 14 minus 74 plus 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 into 4 is 44. 6 into minus 30, which is equal to minus 180. Number 3, A is equal to 0.6, D is equal to 1.7 minus 0.6 is 1.1. N is equal to 100. Formula is Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, which is the same as 100 by 2, 2 into 0.6 plus 100 minus 1 into difference is 1.1. 50 into 1.2 plus 99 into 11. 1 9 is 9, 9, 9, 9. It is 108.9, which is the same as 50 into 1.2, 9 plus 2, 11, 8, 9, 10, 110.1. So what into 5? 1 5 is 5, 0, 5, 5, which is the same as 55050 decimal, or the answer is 5505. The next is A value is 1 by 15, D is equal to 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15, LCM of 12 and 15 with 3, 4 and 5. 4 5s are 20, 60, which is equal to 60 into 5 into 5 into 4 into 4. 5 minus 4 by 60, or D value is 1 by 60. N is equal to 11. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, which is the same as n is 11. 11 by 2 into 2 into 1 by 15 plus 11 minus 1 into 1 by 60, or 11 by 2 into 2 by 15 plus 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 by 60, or it is 1 by 6, which is equal to 11 by 2 into LCM of 15 and 6, 3, 5 and 2. 5 2s are 10, 30. It is 30 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So 2 2s are 4 plus 5, which is equal to 11 by 2 into 9 by 30. 9 by 30 can be reduced as 3 by 10, or the answer is 33 by 20. Question 2, type 2. What difference you see here is, find the sum of 7 plus 10 and a half plus 14 etc. up to 84. They did not tell you 84 terms, or 84 means it is a number in this AP, or it is the last term or AN of this AP. Here also you see it's a decreasing AP, 34, 32, 30 etc. up to 10. Same way, minus 5 plus minus 8 plus etc. up to minus 2, 30. That means the value given here is the last term AN, and A is this one, this is AN, this is A, the first term, and the last term is given to you. That is the meaning of type 2. Here you have to find out N using AN formula, then apply SN formula, which shows that this is a 3-mark question. So from the given condition, A is given as 7, D can be found out as 10 and 1 by 2 minus 7, which is the same as 10 into 2, 21 by 2 minus 7, LCM 21 minus 14 by 2, or it is 7 by 2, and the value of AN is given as 84. You just divide into two parts. First, the formula of AN. What's the formula for AN? A plus N minus 1 into D, from which you can find out the value of N. Then you can substitute in the SN formula. In this particular question, you can use the second formula. AN value is 84 is equal to 7 plus N minus 1 into 7 by 2. 84 minus 7 is equal to N minus 1 into 7 by 2. 77 is equal to N minus 1 into 7 by 2. It will become the reciprocal. 77 into 2 by 7 is equal to N minus 1, or N is equal to 22 plus 1, 23. Now you can apply in the formula of Sn is equal to N by 2. Here you can use the second formula of A plus An, as you know, the first term and the last term, which is equal to 23 by 2 into your A value is 7, An value is 84. 7 plus 84, 23 by 2 into 84 plus 7 is 91, which is equal to, you can multiply 91 into 23. 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27, 2 nines are 18, 3, 9, 10, 2093 divided by 2. 1, 0, 4, 9 by 2 is 4, then 8, 13, 6.5, 1046.5. That will be the SN formula. Similarly, A is equal to 34, D is equal to 32 minus 34, which is equal to negative 2, and AN is equal to 10. Divide into two parts. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, which is the same as AN value is 10 is equal to 34 plus N minus 1 into minus 2. Minus 24 is equal to N minus 1 into minus 2. Minus 24 by minus 2 is equal to N minus 1. It's 12 plus 1, 13. You should know the value of n should not be negative. It should be a natural number. Then Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an, which is equal to 13 by 2 into 34 plus 10. 13 by 2 into 44, 22, or what is 13 into 22? 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. Answer is 286. Similarly, A value is minus 5, D is equal to minus 8 minus minus 5, which is equal to minus 3, and An is equal to minus 230. Divide into two parts. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Minus 230 is equal to minus 5 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 230 plus 5 is minus 225. N minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 225 by minus 3 is equal to n minus 1. 3 7s are 21. Then 15 3 5s are, or n is equal to 76. Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus an. Even you apply the first formula, you will get the same answer, which is equal to 76 by 2 into minus 5 plus minus 230. 76 by 2 into minus 235. 76 by 2, it is 38, or 235 into 38. 8 5s are 40. 28, 16 plus 2, 18. 10, 7. It is equal to minus 8,930. This is a 3-mark question. Question number 3 has 10 subdivisions. Both the formulas, that means An and Sn formulas, will be involved in this particular set of questions. The main idea is to get the value of A and D. That is what to be found out in an arithmetic progression. First question, third question, the first subdivision. Given A is equal to 5, A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, then An is equal to 50, and find the value of n and find the value of Sn. This is like the same as type 2 question. You know the value of A, you know the value of D, you know the value of An, which shows that you can apply the formula of An, get the value of n, then substitute in Sn. A similar question as question number 2. So An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. 50 is equal to 5 plus n minus 1 into 3. 45 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. 45 by 3 is equal to n minus 1. 15 is equal to n minus 1. N is equal to 16. Now, to find what is Sn of S16 is the same as n by 2 into A plus An. Formula is compulsory. Try to write the formula in all the questions, which is equal to 16 by 2. Your value of A is 5, An is 50. 5 plus 50, 8 into 55. 8 5s are 40, 8 5s are 40 and 44. So the value of Sn is 440. That is question number 3, first subdivision. The second one, A equal to 7. The second subdivision is, the first term is 7, then A13 is 35. Find the value of D and S13. You are supposed to find out what is D also, what is S13 also. start with the available condition. A13 is equal to 35. How do you change A13 into an equation? It is A plus 12D is equal to 35. Now, the value of A is known to you. So, 7 plus 12D is equal to 35. 12D is equal to 35 minus 7, which is equal to 28, or D is equal to 28 by 12 divided by 4 is 7 by 3. That means the D value is 7 by 3. Now you are asked to find out what is S13. So S13 means the value of N is 13. S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into A plus, you have A also, you have A13 also. So you can directly apply as A plus A13, that is 13 by 2 into, your A value is 7, A13 is 35, 7 plus 35, 13 by 2 into 35 plus 7 is 42, 21 or 13 into 21, 1 3 is 3, 1 6 2. 273. This is how you will manage the questions. Whatever is given in the question, start by applying the given condition. Division 3. A12 is equal to 37. D is 3. A has to be found out. S12 has to be found out. So the number here shows that the value of N is 12. A12 is equal to 37. Start with the available condition in the question. What is the meaning of A12? A plus 11D is equal to 37. The value of D is known to you. So A plus 11 into 3 is equal to 37. A is equal to 37 minus 33, which is equal to 4. And now you have A12, you have A, and they are asking you for S12. So S12 is equal to 12 by 2 into A plus A12, which is equal to 6 into, the value of A is 4 plus A12 is 37, or 6 into 37 plus 4 is 41, 1 6, or it is 246. The next question onwards, just understand the question very well. A3 is equal to 15 and S10 is equal to 125. You are supposed to find out what is D, what is A10. That means you don't know the first term also, you don't know the common difference also. Let's start with the given condition side by side. A3 is equal to 15 means A plus 2D is equal to 15. Take it as equation number 1. Similarly, S10 is equal to 125. This number shows that N value is 10. Let's put the substitution, the value of, let's write the formula of Sn. Sn is equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. By comparing the value of N as 10, let us rewrite it with the 10 as S10 is equal to 10 by 2, 2A plus 10 minus 1 into D. That is, I have substituted the value of N. What did you get? What's the value of S10? 125. 125 is equal to 10 by 2 is 5, 2A plus 9D, or 125 divided by 5 is equal to 2A plus 9D, or 2A plus 9D is the same as 5 2s are 10, 25. Equation number 2. See, you got an equation. A plus 2D is equal to 15. 2A plus 9D is equal to 25. You can solve like linear equations so that you will get the value of A, you will get the value of D. A plus 2D is equal to 15. 2a plus 9b is equal to 25. Multiplying the first equation with 2, it is 2a plus 4b is equal to 30. 2a plus 9b is equal to 25. Change the sign. You are getting minus 5d is equal to positive 5, or the value of d is minus 1. Substitute the value of d in any one equation. You will get it as a plus 2d is equal to 15. That is, a plus 2 into minus 1 is equal to 15, or a value is 15 plus 2 is 17. You got the value of d as minus 1, a as 17. Now what's the value of a10? Therefore, a10 is equal to a plus 9d, which is equal to 17 plus 9 into minus 1. 17 minus 9, that means 8. So the value of a10 is 8, value of d is minus 1, value of a is 17. So how do you substitute? The value is S10 is equal to 10 by 2, 2a plus 10 minus 1 into d. This is needed in the next question also. You can directly write it. Subdivision 5. D is equal to 5, S9 is equal to 75, A and A9. Here we can start only with S9 is equal to 75. A similar formula, we can just form an equation. S9 is equal to 75, which shows you that n value is 9. In the Sn formula, you just replace the value of n with 9. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Replace with 9. S9 is equal to 9 by 2, 2a plus 9 minus 1 into d is given as 5. Under S9 you write 75 is equal to 9 by 2 into 2a plus 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 5s are 40. Cross multiply as 75 into 2 by 9 is equal to 2a plus 40. You have to get the value of a. So 150 by 9 minus 40 is equal to 2a. By LCM, 140 minus 150 minus 360 by 9 is equal to 2a. 360 minus 150 is 210, or minus 210 by 9 is equal to 2a. If you cross multiply, 2a into 9 is equal to minus 210, or a is minus 210 by 2 into 9 with 3. It is 3 minus 70, again with the 2, this is minus 35. So a value is minus 35 by 3. Now you have to find out what is A9. What is the formula? The formula is S9 is equal to n by 2 into a plus A9. S9 is 75 is equal to the value of n is 9. 9 by 2 into what's the value of a? Minus 35 by 3 plus what's the value of A9 has to be found out. Again, 75 into 2 by 9 is equal to minus 35 by 3 plus A9, or A9 is equal to 150 by 9 plus 35 by 3. LCM is 9. 150 plus into 3 into 3 is 105 by 9. 5 plus 0, 5 plus 0, 1 plus 2 by 9, which is divisible by 3, which is equal to 8 3s are 24, 1, 8 5s are 85 by 3. The value of A9 is 85 by 3. Subdivision 6. As you see here, defined the value of n. It is a very important question because the next remaining part of the exercise they will ask as a word problem to get the number of terms. Study the workout from here. What all are given is the value of a is given, the value of d is given, Sn is given as 90. That means n is unknown to you. Let's write the formula of Sn. General formula, Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Under Sn, 90 is equal to, n is still unknown to you, but you know the value of a and d. You can substitute the value of a and d as 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into 8, or 90 is equal to n by 2. 2 2s are 4 plus n minus 1 into 8 can be expanded as 8n minus 8. The next step is just cross multiply the 2 over here. 90 into 2 is equal to n into, what is 4 minus 8 is negative 4. Negative 4 plus 8n. 180 is equal to, you expand as minus 4n plus 8n square. Now you are getting a quadratic equation in n. That means it is 8n square minus 4n, then minus 180 is equal to 0. 8n square minus 4n minus 180 is equal to 0. Reduce with 4. That means 2n square minus n minus 4 4s are 16. 45 is equal to 0. Like you are solving in the quadratic equation, you have to get the two values of n. So the value of n, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus 45, d is equal to b square minus 4ac, minus 1 the whole square minus 4 into 2 into minus 45, 1 plus 45 into 8. 8 5s are 40, 32, 360. 360, or it is 361. Square root d is equal to root 361 is equal to 19. Again, by long division, once again I am showing you from the right in 2s. 1 1s are 1, 2, 61. Then double of 1 is 2. The chance of multiplying with 9. It is 9 9s are 81. It is 261. The remainder is 0. Thus the square root of 361 is 19. That means the value of n, the first value is minus b plus root d by 2a, which is the same as your b is negative 1. So minus b is 1 plus 19 by 2 into 2. That is 20 by 4, which is equal to 5. Second value is minus b minus root d by 2a, which is equal to 1 minus 19 by 4. Reject, because you know the value of n cannot be negative. That is, n is equal to 5. Therefore, the number of terms is 5. Now you are supposed to find out what is an. Now since you got the value of n as 5, a5 is equal to a plus 4d, which is equal to the value of a is 2 plus 4 into value of d is 8. It is 2 plus 8 4s are 32, or it is 34. So to find the value of n, you may have to apply quadratic equation. Learn this particular question very well. It's a very important 3-mark question. Subdivision 7. A is equal to 8, an is equal to 62, Sn is equal to 210. You are supposed to find out what's the value of n and d. Now see, you know what is an and you know what is Sn. So what's the formula regarding that? Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Substitute whatever is available with you. 210 is equal to, n has to be found out. A value is 8 and an value is 62. 210 is equal to n by 2 into 70, or n is equal to 210 into 2 by 70. That is, n is equal to 6. Now you are asked to find out what is D. Substitute in, if you got the value of n as 6, the meaning of an is equal to 62 has become a6 is equal to 62. That is replacing n with 6. A plus 5d is equal to 62. A value is 8. 8 plus 5d is equal to 62. 5d is equal to 62 minus 8, which is equal to 54, or d is equal to 54 by 5. So you got the value of n, you got the value of d. Now, question number 8 to be studied as such. It's an important question. You have to study the same way. You have been given with an is equal to 4, Sn is equal to minus 14, d is equal to 2, n is unknown to you, a is unknown to you. How can you start this question is, you will always start with whatever is given in the question. An is equal to 4 gives you an idea because value of d is given to you. Let's substitute it as a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 4. Then a plus n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 4, or a plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 4. A plus 2n is equal to 6. Just leave it as such. Let's proceed with the other side. The value of Sn. Sn is equal to minus 14, and you know the value of An as 4. Substitute the formula for Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus An, minus 14 is equal to n by 2 into a plus An value is 4. If you cross multiply, minus 28 is equal to n into a plus 4, and now you got an equation as a plus 2n is equal to 6 and minus 28 is equal to n into a plus 4. What you can do is, from here a value is 6 minus 2n. So substituting a is equal to 6 minus 2n in minus 28 is equal to n into a plus 4. You are going to replace a with 6 minus 2n, which shows that in this equation there will be only the unknown quantity of n. So minus 28 is equal to n into 6 minus 2n plus 4. Minus 28 is equal to n into 10 minus 2n. Minus 28 is equal to 10n minus 2n square. Let's make it as a quadratic equation. 2n square minus 10n minus 28 is equal to 0, with 2n square minus 5n minus 14 equal to 0. Splitting of middle term is very simple. The factors are n minus 7, n plus 2 is equal to 0, which shows that the value of n is 7. N is equal to negative 2 has to be rejected. Therefore, the value of n is equal to 7. After getting the value of n is equal to 7, substitute a is equal to 6 minus 2 into 7, 6 minus 14, which is equal to minus 8. Therefore, the value of a is minus 8 and the value of n is equal to 7. Both the unknown quantities. It's a very important sum. Please study as such. The next one, a is equal to 3, n is equal to 8, s is equal to 192. It is understood that S8 itself is 192 because the value of n is given as 8. You are given the value of a. You are supposed to find out what is the value of d. Apply the formula as S8 is equal to 8 by 2 into 2a plus 8 minus 1 into d. S8 value is given as 192 is equal to 4 into 2 into 3 plus 7d. 192 divided by 4 is equal to 6 plus 7d. 4 4s are 16. 32, 48. 48 minus 6 is equal to 7d. 42 is equal to 7d, or the value of d is equal to 6. So if the value of n is equal to 8 means it's understood that SA8 is equal to 192. And the last question, L means it is the last term or AN. AN is 28. Then S means S9 is equal to 144. AN or ANIN is 28. S9 is 144. And you are asked to find out the value of A. So the formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An. S9 144 is equal to 9 by 2 into A value is unknown to you. A plus A9 is known as 28. 144 into 2 by 9 is equal to A plus 28. Then 9 ones are 9. It is 54. It is 9 sixes are 54. 32 is equal to A plus 28, or A is equal to 32 minus 24, which is equal to 4. So if you learn all the 10 subdivisions very clearly, we can go ahead with the next set of questions very easily, because the same pattern, instead of giving as A, AN, SN, A and D, it is asked as a word problem. So it's very simple once you practice all these questions thoroughly. We will do it in the next class.